I did it again today. I gotta stop this going to the hobby shop on Thursdays. I got it. It's just gotta stop. And bought another one. This time it's on-road kit. Completely not what I was looking for, but it was there. It was the only one. It's fairly, I don't want to say rare, but I've never seen it in a shop here at all. Seen it online. And they just got it today. And so what do? I walk in there, and there it is on the wall. And hey, what's up with that kit? And next thing I know, it's in the back of my truck, and I'm going home with it. So, quick little unboxing. Not going to go into great detail, but I got plans for it. Not going to be box art at all. Although it is a gorgeous piece. It's a gorgeous car. But I got a different paint. I got a whole different appearance in mind. So let me show you what we got. That's it right there. 2002 Mercedes-Benz CLK AMG on a Tamiya TT02 chassis. This car is freaking gorgeous. I've seen a couple online. I've never found them in stock anywhere. I don't know how in the world they got their hands on it, but this was the only one there. It's been a good while since I built one of these TT01 or TT02s rather, or even the TT01s. They are great kits to build. They go together really well. The fit and finish is always perfect. The details on the body are phenomenal, and their decals are second to none. As you see it here, it is that's an awesome finished product right there. But I just feel like I want to take it in another direction and put another color on it, different set of wheels, and just do it different. Add some aluminum parts, homemade aluminum parts, and just do it up, man, because that's just one slick piece. But quick, show you what's in the box. Take a look at a couple of things. Not going to get into each bag or anything, but let's just take a look and see what's happening in here. It's always packed perfect. Right off the bat, I think this, and I'm not sure, I think this is one of the hobby wings. Yeah, this is a 1060 hobby wing, brushed ESC. It's going to be perfect to run this car, because if I know me, once I get it finished, it's going to be more of a shelf queen than a runner, unfortunately, but I will run it from time to time, and I'm not going to put a brushless pack in here or a brushless kit in here to go out and destroy the car. So this is going to be plenty. Paired to, they sent the torque tuned motor. Now I'll break this one in. I've learned how to break them in, and that's what I'm going to do from here on. But as you see, normal stuff. Everything's individually bagged inside of this one. I'm hoping that the reflection is not bad, but yeah, always just super simple builds these things are. So the body is what I'm most impressed by. This body, Tamiya has some of the best molds of any company I've ever seen in my life, and I'm going to pray that the camera will pick up on it. But every corner of the, I guess, the 1-to-1 CLK is molded into this. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I know this camera's not going to do anything for it, but it's a good looking piece, and I can't wait to get this thing out. And then everything else, individual bags, chassis tub, just super simple builds. I do have full bearings to put in this thing. And like I said, a couple other tricks that I'm going to try to pull with the wing. I love cars with wings, especially these Euro cars. Or I guess this would be German. I'm not sure. But anyway, the cars from overseas, I love when they're like this and have these big wings, not these racers that run around with these big stupid wings on them. But these look phenomenal on these European cars. So decent little set there. The wheels on it are killer to be stocks, man. Look at this. I think they're great, but I'm not going to use them. And I'm not sure that I'm going to use the tires. The tires are slicks. They do not have foams. I'm pretty sure there's foams in the kit somewhere. Those belts that you put inside. Tamiya usually sends them. They're all strips, and you have to fight them to get them in there. But if they are, I probably will not use these tires. I have something else over there that I want to use. And let's see. Standard, instruction manual. Nothing flashy about that, but I mean, the instructions are foolproof on these Tamiya cars. And then let's see how many decals we're going to wind up putting on this. Holy Lord, there's quite a few, even for it not to be a race car, but I'll probably use the majority of these, depending on how it looks with the paint that I'm planning on using. And that'll take a while, but this is the part I enjoy, is actually detailing these bodies. I've still got my Volkswagen up here, my red Volkswagen that I'm building the rack and all that stuff for, that I haven't put a decal on out. Well, I put 4 decals on that car and that's it, because I'm waiting to finish those parts. But I love doing these. It's almost therapeutic for me. And then, winter masks and all that good stuff, all that great stuff. I'm probably going to start on this over the weekend. Don't know when. I'm shooting for Saturday. I have nothing to do Saturday, and we'll probably dive into this joker Saturday morning and not come out of the shop until it's at least in a roller. So that's that. Let me get this lid back on this box. I'll tell you. I know somebody that wanted this car. I know somebody wanted this car real bad. When I took it down off the wall, this individual had a frowny face. He was like, it's somebody licked the red right off his candy. And you had the opportunity, sir, but it's here. So there it is. I'm not going to say it's going to be next, but it's definitely going to be in line to get built. I'm literally standing at the counter. I'm paying for this car, and I'm like, I need bearings. I need this. I need that. And fella that I think the absolute world of is like, he's just lost his best friend or something, and it's like, dude, I'm sorry. It was on the wall, and so it's mine now. Anyway, that'll be next. I'll give progress updates on it. It's not going to take long. Once I get started, I just dive right into it. Right now, I'm working on that thing back there. Got the front half of the body painted, working on the back half of the body, and hope to have an update on it too pretty soon. So anyway, you guys take it real good care. Enjoy your weekend, and we will catch you on the next video. Take care.